Hello, welcome back to my channel again, InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel, only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, if you're not subscribe my channel, just go to the subscribe button and smash that. And sorry to say guys, actually this video is only about presearch.org. This is the main part of my recent video that I uploaded. Today I just want to tell you how to work on presearch.com. If you guys not have registered on this site, just go to the description video. If you have not registered on this site, just go to the create button, and if you are already registered, just simply click the login button. Okay, so guys, I have already earned 57 PRE token, that is presearch coin. So I just want to tell you what is presearch coin. What presearch coin is like a Bitcoin, as you can see. So I search research, you can see the price of presearch PRE token 0.03. so guys, it's just a little bit decreasing today. So let's go to the topic, how to do work on this. So you just have to simply search anything you want, like anything you want. Okay, as you can see I have 57, and if reload my page, you can see almost 57.25. so you can earn at least 8 PRE token. So you have to search again and again, like anything, Google, Chrome, anything. As you can see, you are earning very fast. It's very fast earning. So this is only the work about presearch.com. Thanks for watching my video.